Yes, viewers, listeners, respect. Tony Ajay here. Praise God as usual together. Yes. Almost became a dead meat. God forbid. On Labor Day, I almost became a dead meat. I didn't have an accident, thank God, but I almost became a dead meat. It happened by the park where I live. Oh yes, right by my crib. I was walking as usual, trying to be in shape. I was walking right by the beach. I startled. I was startled by this little snake. Oh yes, I almost became a dead meat. A little bitty snake, about 2 feet long, pitch black with a red stripe and a thin yellow stripe. He called up like he wants to bite me. I pick up running out of fear. Oh yes, I almost became a dead meat. Fear of snake is real. Everybody, oh, fear of snake is real. Let's call up them, the snakes, to the round table and tell them we're gonna treat them like pets. After all, we did it for cats and dogs. We can call the mosquitoes and the flies on the round table too. We can make a law in Congress and call it Tony Ajay, Jungle of Africa law. Almost became a dead meat. Everybody, God forbid, on Labor Day, I almost became a dead meat. Thank you very much. Thank you.